Ćao svima, hi, new video. This time some old Sony laptop. I take this laptop apart because I need some parts for my laptop. Here is the keyboard and here is the display. The display is working. I hope you can see the model VGN Z56GG, or maybe from this side. The Sony have different designations on the back of the laptop and on the display. What's wrong with this? He doesn't want to turn on. Okay, here is the charger, not the original one, but it's working with my laptop. Now I will show you. The charger is working, 19 volts, you see. When I plug in, here is the button for the start. If I press start button, nothing happens. It doesn't spinning. Oh, the focus goes bad. Wow. Yeah. Now it's okay. So, let's see what can be. I think I found the problem. You see this? Let me see, it's ripped out. And that's why we don't have voltages, but let's check. Probably here we have 19 volts. Yeah, you see, on the connector. And here we don't have. Wow, man. This is hard, like plastic. Here you can see the processor unit. Here is the... where is the graphic unit? Maybe here? Yeah. Wow. Okay, this anyway need replacement. No, this is south bridge. And here is the here is the graphic unit. You see, NVIDIA, blah blah blah. Okay, let's see how I could solder this. This will not be an easy job. Not at all. This board is very small and so many components, and I don't know. So many connectors. The problem is I see the pad. I hope you can see. No? See, here is the pad. But here is nothing. Looks like it's ripped out from motherboard. This can be really tricky. Yeah. Wow, man. Wow, wow, wow. Now we can see. You see? It's ripped. But here, let's try to be gentle. Here also. Wow. This is not good. Not good at all. Wow. Okay. Okay, so what I done? I must stop the video. Sorry. Okay, can't see. let's try like this. You see here, maybe it's not clear enough, but scrap it with knife this trace and connect, and here, because of position, when I can scrap, you see this tiny line. I must put this little thing. This is the ripped out trace from, well, okay, I lost it. Great, this video will be great. So yeah, more or less that's it. Let's try and see what's happened. Maybe I will burn everything, I don't know. Probably, yeah. Okay. It's getting hot. Let's see. Where is the button? This was disconnected, but this is from this VGA connector. So I have connect this. Put some RAM memory immediately. Okay, this should be good. Oh, this is broken. And this also. What a fantastic. Okay, never mind. This goes here, so this connector goes here. Yeah. This connector goes here. Let's lay everything like this. Just put the LCD connector. Okay. Can you see the LCD connector? Okay. Sorry for the light. Now. Okay, it's turning on. It's turning on. Yeah, we have a picture. And it's turned on. Wow. You see, green light. We don't have green light earlier, so it's okay for now. Yeah, that's it. Let's turn it off because we don't have a heatsink, not to destroy the CPU or GPU. Thank you for your time. If you like the video, please click like or dislike if you don't like the video. If you have any comments, please comment below, subscribe to my channel for inspire me for the future videos, and until the next one, bye bye.